Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to stop showing newly downloaded media from a community on WhatsApp. If you're tired of your media gallery getting cluttered with every media file from your community, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, navigate to the chat or group where your community is located. Tap on it to enter the community. Step 3. In the top right corner of the community chat screen, you'll find 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to access the options menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select the Community Info option. This will take you to the settings and information page for the community. Step 5. Scroll down the Community Info page until you find the Announcements section. Tap on it. Step 6. Within the announcement settings, you'll find the Media Visibility option. Tap on it. Step 7. Tap No. Step 8. Once you've selected No for media visibility, confirm your choice by tapping OK. By following these steps, you can prevent newly downloaded media from your community from appearing in your media gallery. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.